I've had some questions from people about how to use some of the molds in my shop that are a little bit shallower than other shapes. There's some molds that you can just, like this one is it's a center mold. And you can just take that and just pack it in, and then you just pull it out with a wire or whatever. And that's very easy because it's deep and you can get the shape very easily. But some things like this chain are not as easy to get the fondant or gum paste into, and it's hard to get it out without stretching it because it is so shallow. So there are certain tricks that you can use for that. First of all, do not use a really soft fondant because that is just not going to work. It's going to stretch, it's going to just not go in there, it's going to stick to your hands, and it's not going to make a good result. So always use a gum paste. This is just my regular gum paste that I have pink. And if you want to use gum paste, because it will keep the shape better, it won't stretch as much, and you can pack it in. As you're packing this into the mold, you want to try to keep it in the outline of the exterior outline. And